something like this, which is good, but when you tie up with somebody, you don't stand like this. You're either bringing them down or you're standing up. And you don't stand in one spot.
There we go. All right, let's go.
Bring them down.
3, push it.
Got it? And you just move it just like that. You got to get in and push this side of your body. But you want to hold this posture, because if you don't hold that posture, you can do it. Yeah. Just think about this. You want to block your elbow to come back to the underhook. No. The whole time. So you're blocking it. It's not how you're blocking it, but when you throw, you're doing this. When you do that, you want to stay, paste your belly to her belly. Step in with your right leg. Yes, now keep this the whole time. Just look for that underhook. Make sure you land on this. That's the best. Better. Now, one thing on the throw, anytime you take your foot off the mat, you can't throw somebody. You know, just leave your feet on the mat. You kind of I'm putting it there, so don't take your foot off the mat. You pop it like this. This is what you're going to do. That way you have more power. Work it. Okay, you want to stand her up. Bring your elbow out there. More up a little bit. There you go. Now, throw this elbow up. Step in with your right leg. You want to put the elbow on your chest up here. There you go. Now, when you throw it, you just want to put your belly in like this. Step this leg in here. This leg should be in deep. Not bad. Bring it in real quick.
It's all right. Say stop. Here we go. Push up position. Everybody heads up. Ready? Down.
All right, come on, let's stay in here.
Down.
Foot sweep.
Down.
That's fine. I can't do that. I just got to throw people. So I bring them down like this, and when I put it up here, all you want to do is keep this form like this the whole time. Seeing some of you guys throw, and you're getting like this, and you get ready to throw, and you do this. And then he can come right out and crush it.
Everybody with me? Focus.
So, getting here, block, elbows in. That's how I get the 2-on-1. Everything's tight right here. In, step in so I can block. And as soon as you step in, I'm not grabbing the underhook. I'm going to hit the underhook on the way through. I might not ever get it. I'm 4'11", so he was an inch taller. There's no underhook happening ever. Alright, so when I hit this, I want to hold this form right here. So this side of my body, everything will hit at the same time. So I'm going to jack it up and go. Just like that. Don't take your feet off the mat until after you throw. Here, boom, boom. Got it? Make your fist. Any questions? 3, 2, 1.